it's Brianna here. I am so excited to join you today to talk about our digital all access. Now, if you're already one of our all access members, you've probably heard this a time or two, but if you're new to our all access program or you're wondering what the heck it even is, I'm here to tell you about it. So we're going to let some people kind of get in the video and join us here, and then we'll get started in just a minute. I'm actually going to walk you step by step on the screen through our brand new features of the digital all access. So we'll give everybody a couple minutes to kind of get in here and get ready to go, and just get everybody on the feed. Let's see if we have anybody giving some comments here. We got any shout outs, Lauren?
We have Miss Diana.
Miss Diana, welcome, welcome.
Debbie's our neighbor in North Carolina.
Oh, our neighbor in North Carolina. Miss Debbie, where are you? We just moved to Mint Hill, North Carolina. Are you close by? Welcome, welcome. Just letting everybody kind of get in here and join us before we dive into our digital all access. Anybody else joining us live?
We have Miss Cat is here.
Miss Cat, welcome, welcome. Oh, our comments are loading. There we go. So Lydia says hello from Florida. Hi, Miss Lydia. We have Cynthia from Illinois. Hi, Miss Cynthia. Welcome, welcome. Give everybody just a couple more seconds here to get in. If you missed the beginning, we are just going to be talking about digital all access today. Some new features that come along with that program for our digital members and for all of our all access members. So let's go ahead and just dive right into it, y'all. So we're going to actually take you and show you the screen and sort of show you exactly how to access your downloads on our website. So this is a brand new feature that we just launched for June the 1st, which was just yesterday. We've made it into June here this year. So we just launched this and we are very excited. Let me tell you a little bit about what this is going to do for you as an all access member. So if you've been in our club for the last year, or if you're a member of our digital club, you might have noticed we started sending out the files via a Dropbox link in an email. We started doing that actually in response to COVID last year when many of our customers couldn't get into their dealerships or couldn't get their books. We were closed down for a time period, or working from home rather, so we couldn't ship all the books on time every month. So during all that craziness, we started sending our designs via a Dropbox link so that everybody could still access their designs until they were able to get their hands on their book. So we knew you probably wanted to be stitching during that hard time. But in the midst of doing that, we actually created our digital all access club because we thought, hey, this really works. And a lot of people really like the digital aspect. So we created the digital all access club last year. It's been a little over a year now that we launched that. So if you are a digital member, the only way you're getting your files is actually through that Dropbox link until now. So now what we've done is we've integrated your all access membership into your account on our customer center, which is on our website. If you haven't before ever checked out our customer center, now you have a great reason to. And I'm going to show you some really important resources that are actually on that customer center, including how to access those digital files. This is going to be so much easier for you as an all access member because you don't have to keep up with all those emails we send or all the Dropbox links or things that you have to download them immediately and save them on your hard drives. These files are going to live on your customer account forever. So anywhere that you can get on a computer and access your customer account on our website, you're going to be able to access your files. There's some really neat features in here, so let's just dive in. So I'm going to take you over to the computer now. And you're going to see in the top right hand, and I don't know why, for some reason, my mouse doesn't show up here. So I'm just going to kind of give you some verbal directions of where to look on your screen. But in the top right hand side, you're going to see that mine says sign out because I've already signed in as a customer. If yours says sign in and you are following along, you would want to go ahead and click sign in so that you can sign in to your personal customer account. So go ahead and do that if you haven't already. And just so you know, in case you've never logged in or you forgot your password, you can always contact our team for assistance. And we're going to give you that email address here shortly. Oh, there it is at the bottom of the screen. So our team can be contacted at customerexperience@anita-goodesign.com. If you ever forget your password or need help getting logged into your account to access your files, please just let us know and we're more than happy to help you. So once you get signed in, we are just going to go to our customer center so you can see it along this top bar. Now if you are on like an iPad or a phone or something, your menu bar will actually appear on the right hand side sort of as three little bars, and you have to click it to drop it down. On this big computer that I'm using, it comes across the top. So we are just going to click Customer Center here. And once we get into our Customer Center, you're going to find what's called the dashboard. Now, if you've never been in here before, this dashboard has a wealth of knowledge and a lot of goodies that you need to check out. We have some video tutorials, PDF tutorials. You can look at your gift cards, make your wish list, check out your library, all kinds of great stuff. But the one we're going to focus on today is this All Access tab. So this is a brand new tab that wasn't here before, so you can go ahead and click All Access here, and this is how you are going to access your files. So you can see here I've created myself this dummy account and given myself all access for a few months. So when you actually click in, you're going to see all of the months of all access that you have right here. Now, if for some reason you weren't a member or there was a lapse in your membership, some of these might be grayed out and they wouldn't be clickable for you. But the months that you are a member and that you have access to, they are going to be clickable links. And you can also see at the bottom here your subscriptions. So you can see down here my subscription is active, and then you would be able to view that for further details. So let's say we do want to go ahead and download some of our items from the month of June. We would just click on June, and I'm going to show you how this displays and how easy it is to download your files. You don't have to download them right away. Again, they're going to be here forever. So if you're not quite ready to stitch it for the June yet, maybe you're still working on something for May, you can wait and download these at a later time. So as soon as you open this up, at the top, you're always going to have the first option is going to be the all files. That is if you want to download every single thing that comes out for June at one time, you can go ahead and click that. If you want to get it on your computer or you do wish to save it somewhere else and that is just your method, you certainly can. Know that that will be a larger download, so it might take a little longer to download because it does contain everything for the month of June. If you want to download just the book, that's going to be the second download you're going to come to here. And then the third one is going to be our Anita's Guide. It says read me, but I bet a lot of you probably haven't read it before. But it does contain some really useful information when it comes to our designs, and that's included in every single one of our collections. Also gives you some really helpful things for quilting in the hoop, just so you know. So be sure to check that out. One thing you're going to see this month that is special just for June is going to be bonus designs. So we did release some bonus designs for the month of June that are accessible via this Customer Center, and we are going to be doing that periodically, releasing extra designs, bonus content just for our All Access members. So if you aren't an All Access member, you want to make sure you get signed up and take advantage of those bonus designs. So you'll see those here for the month of June. And then if you just keep going down, all of the individual collections are just going to be alphabetized. So you'll always see those first few things at the top, then everything else is going to be alphabetized. So if you're looking for, the seabirds specifically, you can just keep scrolling until you get to the S's, and then you're just going to hit that download button. And depending, of course, what computer you're using, whether it's an Apple or a PC or all those different things, what software you're running, the download process will look a little different. We do have a lot of tutorials on our website for downloading, and we also can help you at our customer experience email. So if you do have issues with that or you need any further instruction, please, please, please just let us know. We are going to be releasing a lot more videos and step-by-step instruction along with all of these changes to our digital All Access. So everybody now for the month of June, no matter if you're a digital member or you still get the physical book at your dealership or to your home, you are going to have access to these files. Of course, our digital members, this is the only way you'll be able to access them. But everybody else is still going to get this digital format as well. So maybe if you can't go pick up your book right on June the 1st from your dealer, you already are going to have access to those files. So the first of every single month, you can expect to see these dropped into your account. Now, we aren't doing away with the Dropbox link just yet. We are going to still be sending that for a couple more months, just as everyone kind of gets used to this change and where to find these files, and we make sure everybody understands exactly how to access them. We are still going to be sending that Dropbox link. But eventually that Dropbox link will go away, and this will be the only place you get those digital files. So just make sure you save this video if you need help accessing these in the future, or again, you can contact our customer experience team at Anita-Goodesign.com. You do have to have that hyphen in there or we won't get your email. Another really cool, easy way that you can contact us is actually here on your Let me go back to your customer center dashboard here. Oh, there it is. There's contact. So you can just go to contact right on our website if you forget that email address or don't write that down, and you can contact us directly through the website, and we can try to help you navigate finding your files or downloading your files, whatever the case may be. So really awesome news with this Digital All Access. We are offering the Digital All Access now for $499 for the year. So that is a 12-month membership of Digital All Access for the low price of $499. So if that's something you're interested in signing up for, please check out our website. If you enter the code Brianna in the order notes just today through Sunday, you're going to be able to receive an extra $50 gift card just for watching this video, and then signing up for All Access, we'll send you that $50 digital gift card to use on our website for anything that you wish, and you can look forward to 12 months of digital downloads with the All Access program. Any questions that we have, Lauren, that we need to cover?
Can you just tell them one more time about where they start to get in for like the customer center?
Absolutely. So I'm going to go back to the home page and just show you again how exactly you get to this customer center. So I'm just clicking anytime, just so you know, on the website, anytime you just want to get home, back to the very home page, if you just click that logo at the top of whatever page you might happen to be on, it's going to take you back to the home page if you just need to start over and kind of reset. So we are going back there now. We've got a lot of things running, so the internet's moving a little slow. I'm sure some of y'all understand that. And it's rainy outside. The rain can't help with the speed of the internet. I feel like the rain just bogs everything down here. So we are getting back to that home page, and I will surely show you how we get to that customer center.
Do you want to remind them that this video of you will remain on Facebook and YouTube?
Absolutely. So this video, y'all, is going to remain on our Facebook page and going to be uploaded on our YouTube page. So if you're not ready to download designs right today, you just kind of wanted to tune in. When you are ready to download your designs for June or whatever month it is, you're certainly welcome to go watch this video again and again to navigate your way to that customer center. It is moving very slow today, y'all. If we want to just open, try that. When you do get back to the home page, if you're moving faster than me, what you do is in the top right hand corner, you're either going to see the word sign in or the word sign out. If yours says sign in, that's where you want to click to go ahead and sign in to the customer center. If yours says sign out, then you are already logged into the customer center. And in that case, you would just choose customer center from across that menu at the top. Again, on a desktop computer, the menu bar is going to come across the top and be in black and white letters, and you'll see customer center right there about mid to right down the page. If you are on a phone or a tablet and you're trying to follow along, it's going to be like abbreviated 3 little bars, and you'll just have to click those to expand the menu, which will drop down. I think we got it back up here. So let me get my mouse again. And so here we are. If you are back at this home page again, here's that top right corner we were talking about where you can either sign in or sign out, and then just choose that customer center from that menu. Now, I know I told you about the viewing on a phone or a tablet, but please note that you actually can't download on a phone or a tablet. You do have to download on a computer or a laptop. You can't download your design files onto your iPad because you can't put the stick in there and get them to your machine and all that jazz. So just like with any of our designs, you do have to download these onto a laptop or a desktop computer. Can be Apple or PC, just has to be a computer, not a phone or anything like that. Okay? Any other questions here, Lauren?
Does yours, for All Access, does the subscription run calendar year or from when they sign up?
So for your All Access, your subscription will run 12 months from when you sign up. So for some people that might run for a calendar year, but if you called and signed up today, we could certainly start you for June, and then you would just run for 12 months concurrent, or if you signed up 3 months from now, that's when you would start and run for 12 months that way. And if you do already have a current membership that isn't over, let's just say till July, and you sign up again now to take advantage of the $50 gift card, we would start your new membership after your current one ends, so in August. So we never going to overlap those or double those up. They're always just going to kind of stack on top of each other and start after the current one ends. Anything else we can do for you?
A couple questions just about, are we backtracking yet on the All Access?
We are not backtracking yet. It is our hope to upload some of the past digital files on here, but right now we are just focusing on the present and moving forward to make sure that everything is seamless and working great for the customer before we sort of go backwards and kind of backstock some of the past All Access magazines.
There's a question can they download only the specific format they need?
So unfortunately with this way, and this is actually how it is with all of our files, it is going to download all of the formats when you click that download button. Say again, it's for the Seabirds collection. It's going to download all of the file formats, but you can only save the one that you need and just delete the rest. So when you're putting it on your USB stick to transfer it to your machine, you can just drag over the file format that you need, and then you can just delete the rest. All right.
I think that's it.
All right, awesome. Well, if there are any additional questions, again, please contact us at customerexperience@anita-gooddesign.com, and we will be happy to help you out in any way we can. We will get back to you and help you get all of this downloaded seamlessly. And we are going to be, again, releasing more videos, more how-tos, step-by-step guides, and everything to really guide you through the download process. But please don't hesitate to reach out and watch this video time and again until you are all set with your downloads. Thanks, y'all.